Okay, now the second type of library material is what? Non-print material. What are non-print materials? Now, these consist of materials that are what? Not in print formats. Remember the first type we did are in print formats. These types are not in what? Print formats. Rather, they are products of what? Advanced technology, requiring what? Special equipment such as hardware and software. Now, e-resources fall under non-print materials. Now, we talk of non-print materials. These type are not the ones that are printed on book. They are not printed on black and white. Rather, they are what? Online. And now, e-resources fall under print and non-print materials. Now, people want to ask, what is e-resources? The E here stands for electronic. So now, what are electronic resources? Now, electronic resources refer to what? Online resources. They refer to online resources, not physical resources. Rather, they are online. And now, they store information that are what? Transmitted and accessed via the local area network, popularly known as LAN, the wide area network, popularly known as WAN, WAN, the intranet, and the internet. Now, do you know the benefits of this e-resource? Now, these e-resources are not something you go to sit on the library and start reading books. Remember that, yes, we know that all libraries contain books, but this time around, the books may be limited if it's in a physical library. But on the online library, we have what? A lot of books, a lot of resources. And do you know what? Such books online, such information online can be accessed at what? The user's convenience. You don't need to be in school and get such information. You could be on campus and be what? Off campus, and this information are still going to what? To treat you. Now let us look at, according to Okore, Asobu, and Opala in 2015, the use of online resources for research and educational purposes by students means that what? They benefit from the work of experts in different fields of study. Now, students who are using the information from online sources, they will benefit from not just the teacher in the classroom, but a lot of experts, skilled experts, both nationally and what? Internationally, global experts, and they seek their view, people's view on such information. Now, having known this, we are going to go to types of what? E-resources, or also known as what? Electronic resource. The first type of electronic resource we're going to look at are also known as what? E-journals. E-journals. What are e-journals? These are electronic issues of journals and articles that are accessed via the internet. Electronic issues of journals and articles that are accessed via the internet. Remember, we talked that when we say E means electronic. And now, e-journals are essentials because they contain current information. Remember that even the physical journal, the book, the journals we do receive contain what? Current information. So this one also contains what? Current information, and the publications are always what? Timely. They don't need to wait until it's published in a book format. No. Online, it is being published, and they paste it online for viewers to see. So such journals are very what? Necessary. Now, the next one is what? E-thesis and dissertations. E-thesis and dissertations. Now, e-thesis and dissertations are what? Electronic versions of postgraduate records of research. Now, not an undergraduate, but what? A postgraduate what? Record. Remember that it is people who do masters and PhD that do write what? Thesis and dissertations. So now, online now, we now have what? Electronic topics of their project, also known as what? Thesis and dissertations. Now, let us look at the third aspect of electronic research.